Hello! To change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all we will have to go into the Play Store, and right here we have to search for the Gboard. And we have to install this Google keyboard basically because the Gboard isn't pre-installed on our Samsung, and we cannot actually change the theme of the Samsung keyboard, but it is possible in this Google keyboard. So first of all we have to download this Gboard, and from here we have to go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down, go into the General Management. From there, we go into the keyboard list and default. And right here is the Gboard. It is currently disabled, so we have to enable this one. And right here, can we do something with this? No. But yeah, from there we have to go into the default keyboard and select Gboard. And right now, as our default keyboard is the Gboard, now we can change the options of the Gboard. So from here we have to press this Gboard right here. And here we have theme. So as we go in there, we have some default themes, some themes with colors, we have some landscapes, light gradient, dark gradient, and you can also set up our custom theme with some picture from our gallery. So we simply select any theme that we like. You can also toggle key borders, as you can see, just like this, and we simply apply. And that's it. Let me just quickly show you that right here we have this Gboard currently available, and here we have this theme enabled right here. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.